Good evening. Please keep yourself on mute. All of you, please keep yourself on mute. What we are going to do, we are going to do the value of a share. Now, the most important thing in investing is value of a share. Everybody knows the price of the share. Price of the share, whatever you see on the screen, that is the price of a share. But when you know the value of a share, you are the expert. You are the expert. Only knowing through the value of the share, you become the expert. How? If price of a share is lower than value of a share, it is a good opportunity to buy. And if price of a share is higher than value of a share, then you are supposed to leave that share, exit from that share, ignore that share. So price and values are two different things. Price is known to everyone. Anyone can Google it. Anyone can go on Screener, TradingView, Money Control, NSE, BSE website. Everyone will know about the price of the share. Then what is the value of the share? What is the value of the share? Is the price at the value? Then no buy, no sell. If the price is lower than value, it is the opportunity to grab that share. And if the price is higher than the value, it is the time to exit the share. So let's learn what is the value of the share. Very important. My humble request, all of you, whether you have joined through Zoom or you have joined through YouTube, you have to write your name, city and school name in the YouTube live session so that your attendance will be marked. My time is starting now. My team is noting your names and all. So it should not be that at the end you are not getting the certificate. So please write your name, school name and city in the YouTube live session, not in the chat, Zoom chat. YouTube live session, please write there. Okay, let's start the valuation part. I'm sharing my screen. I will be taking some shares as an example. No recommendation, no buy, no sell. I'm not here to give any recommendation. I'm not allowed to give any recommendation. I'm not authorized to give any recommendation. Only I'm a financial literacy expert, so I will be guiding you on the topic. Okay. So now, what is the value of a share? I take a company called as Reliance as an example. Again, I'm repeating, it is an example. Whatever the questions in your mind, please note the questions on pen and paper. I will take the questions only at the end. No discussion in between. मैं जो रट के आया हूँ सब भूल जाऊंगा अगर मुझे आप डिस्टर्ब करेंगे तो ठीक है तो एज्यूम दैट मैं कुछ रट के आया हूँ और मैं भूलना नहीं चाहता तो दैट इज द रीजन वी विल हैव द डिस्कशन एट द एंड I promise I will take each and every question if the question is a genuine question. Now, to know the value of the question, share, there are a lot of models, lot of what we can say the valuation models, but we will at this stage, which is the basic stage of learning, we will go through the three models of valuation. I'm repeating, we will go through the three models of valuation. There are a lot of parameters. One parameter is called as absolute valuation and second is called as relative valuation. I'm repeating absolute valuation and relative valuation. Absolute valuation should be known only and can be known only to those who are from finance background, commerce background, CA background. They go through the balance sheet, they value the thing and all those things. They can go. We are not going. I am assuming you all do not know commerce. You do not know accountancy. You do not know finance. This session is for laymen. I'm assuming all of you are laymen. And for laymen, we are going for the relative valuation, not the absolute valuation. I'm repeating, there are two type of valuation. One is absolute valuation. Second is your relative valuation. To know the absolute valuation, you have to go through the finance. And we are not here to teach you finance. So this session is for laymen. And as a layman, we are going only through relative valuation. Now, even in relative valuation, there are hundreds of models, but we will go through the three models. What are the three models? First is PE model, price to earning model. I'm repeating price to earning model, where we have to compare the price with the earning. For example, take I have bought a flat for 1 crore rupees and its rent from that flat is 1 lakh rupees. Now, if there is another flat whose rent is 2 lakh rupees, I should be ready to pay 2 crore rupees for that. I'm assuming price and earning. Earning is the rent, price is the cost of flat. Cost of flat. Suppose I am buying a flat for 1 crore rupees and I'm okay to buy that. And if another flat is there for which rent is 2 lakh rupees, then I should be ready to pay 2 crore rupees for that because rent is exactly double, the price will be double. Now, if this second flat is of 2.5 crore rupee, 2.5 crore rupee, I will ignore it. And if this second flat is of 1.5 crore rupees, then I will grab it. Grab it. Assume how I have come to this conclusion. I'm repeating. A flat of 1 crore rupee. I am ready to pay a flat which is giving you rent of 1 lakh rupee. I'm ready to pay 1 crore rupee. Now, if there is another flat which is giving you the rent 2 lakh rupees, I should be ready to pay 2 crore rupees for that. Now, I go to the market. I go to the market. For me, value is 2 crore rupee. Value is 2 crore rupee. Now I go to the market. In market, the flat is of 2.5 crore rupee. I will ignore the flat. I will not buy. And in the market, if flat is of 1.5 crore rupee or 1.6 crore rupee or 1.7 crore rupee, I will buy it because I am ready to pay 2 crore rupee. And I'm getting it at 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. So this is called as price earning model where I'm comparing the price with the earning. How it is compared in the balance sheet. See this. Price is this. Market cap is the price. Market cap is the price for any company. Market cap is price for any company. Now, earning profit is the earning for any company. Now, this for Reliance earning is approx 1 lakh crore. See this, 97,416 crore, approx 1 lakh crore. Now, earning is 1 lakh crore and price is 20 lakh crore. 20 lakh approx, if I'm correct, not 20, 21 lakh crore. That means for 21 lakh crore flat, I'm getting a rent of 1 lakh. 1 lakh. This is the ratio. At this ratio, I'm getting another flat. I will be ready to take it. That is calculated by price earning ratio. How we calculate it? We divide the price by earning and we get it this 27.5. How we get this 27.5? Nothing. 21 lakh divided by whatever the earning. They have taken the earning of last year because this year, last year earning was, if I'm correct, 80,000 crore. If I'm correct, go through the balance sheet. You will find. Again, sometime I receive a lot of question. Sir, समझ में नहीं आया. दोबारा बताओ. This is not your classes. You are not here to do. You are knowing through the concept. Now go through a lot of books, go through a lot of videos, go through a lot of content, try to search this concept. That is the internship. That is the internship where you learn by doing. Learn by doing. So I have given you the concept now. See this 81,000 crore. 81,000 crore was the earning of last year and today's price is 21 lakh crore. So divide it, you will get the figure of 27.5 approx. That figure you will get it. Okay. Now let me compare this with the Oil India. Let me compare it with the Oil India. Oil India. Now Oil India is 65,000 crore is the price. Now I have to see how much earning I can give with the same 21 or 28.5 for the P for that. Now see this earning is for 20, here earning is 6,000. Now all of you multiply this 6,644. Take it round figure 6,000. Take it round figure 6,000. 6,000 divided by 28. All of you do it and write in the live chat of YouTube. 6,000 into 28. I'm repeating 6,000 into 28 because 28 was the PE of Reliance. I was I was ready to pay 28 times for Reliance. So I should be ready to pay for this company also 28 times. Now 6,000 into 28. What is the value? You all have to write in the chat box of YouTube. YouTube live. I'm waiting for your answer. Let me see who have given me the right answer. Let me see who have given me the right answer. And I can see who have given me the right answer. No one? How it is possible? I'm searching for the answer. I'm not getting any answer. Okay. Okay. I have got some answer. Okay. Who have given me the right answer? Okay. So 214. Okay. Somebody has written 200, 168, 186. How it is possible? 168. Very good. 1,68,000 crore is the right answer. 1,68,000 crore. Now see this. I am ready to pay 1,68,000 crore for this company. Same way, rent multiplied by P should be the flat cost of the price. Now, one and it is I'm getting at only 65,000 crore. I'm ready to pay 1,68,000 crore. The value of this company, if I compare with the same term as of Reliance, it should be 1,68,000, and I'm getting it only and only by uh, 65,000 crores. So that is the reason I'm getting this company cheaper. So I should be ready to pay. I'm not saying I will pay. I have to see ROC, ROE, market cap, promoters holding, debt, growth, sales. That all things also I have to see. It is not only this parameter I will see and buy. First, we have already done what we are supposed to see. If those are okay, then this way we will see. And if we are getting it at this, I will grab it. I will grab it. So I hope what is PE model you can see. Suppose let me compare two other companies. Let me see HDFC Bank. Now, HDFC Bank HDFC Bank is 21.3. That means whatever is the profit of the HDFC Bank, profit of HDFC Bank is 73,000 crores. 21 times of this is 15 lakh crores. So 15 lakh divided by 73, you will get this 21.3. Now for HDFC Bank, I am ready to pay 21 times. 21 times. Now let me go to Axis Bank. Axis Bank. Axis Bank. If I go to Axis Bank and I see what is the profit is approx 28,000 crores. 28,000 into 21. Please do it. 28,000 into 21. Write in the chat box. 28,000 crores into 21. Into 21. 28,000 crores into 21. I'm waiting for the answer. 28,000 crores into 21. Okay, 5 lakh 88,000 crores. Very good. 5 lakh 88,000 crores. I should be ready to pay for. And I am getting it only at 3 lakh 99,000 crores. That means I am getting Axis Bank cheaper. I am getting Axis Bank cheaper. That is the way how PEs compare. Again, you can see you need not to do so much of calculation. You can only see here 15. For Axis Bank, sorry, HDFC Bank, it was 21. And Axis Bank, you are getting at the PE of 15. That means you are getting at a cheaper rate. So the lower is the PE, the better is the company. The better is the company valued. We can say that you are getting a better valuation. Better valuation for the investor point of view. From the investor point of view. If I compare HDFC Bank with Axis Bank, which is costly, Axis Bank is costly, and HDFC Bank is costly because it is at the PE of 21, and Axis Bank is cheaper because it is at the PE of 15 only. So this is the way how we compare PE, and the lower PE we prefer. The lower PE we prefer. Now, few things very important at this situation. First, you cannot compare Reliance with HDFC. You cannot compare Oil India with Axis. You have to compare Axis with HDFC with ICC. Means same type of company and same range of company. You cannot compare HDFC Bank with UCO Bank. If you are comparing a large cap, then compare it with the large cap. If you are comparing a bank, then compare it with the bank. If you are comparing with the oil company, compare it with the oil company. You cannot say that okay, I am buying a khet or what a farmhouse in some village, and I am comparing it with the villa in the Gurgaon. It is not possible. Okay, the farmhouse of village, both are real estate, but they cannot be compared with each other while investing because they have different thing. Farmhouse will give you benefit after 50 years. Bida will give you benefit today itself. But Bida will not be there after 50 years. Farmhouse will be there after 50 years. So that is, there are a lot of differences. So always whenever you are comparing, compare same type. If I have to compare Tata Motors, I will compare it with the Maruti. I will compare with the maybe Mahindra and Mahindra. I so always compare same type of company, same type in terms of business, and same type in terms of capitalization. Even capitalization, it should not be you are comparing a micro cap company with a large cap company and a large cap company with a small cap company. You should not do. So that is one thing very important while going through the PE. Now another very important thing, I have compared the PE of Axis Bank with PE of SDFC. This is called as peer comparison. Peer comparison. I have compared Karthik's marks with Diya's marks or Bhavya's marks, and I found Diya's marks are better, and it's okay. But at home, when Diya's goes back, Diya's mother is not happy. Karthik got only 90, Diya got 92. At school, we are happy that Diya is getting better marks, but at home, Mama is not happy because Diya used to get every time 95 and this time she got only 92. So Mama is not happy. So same way, though Diya has got better marks as compared to, so at this situation, if I compare Axis Bank with HDFC Bank, I found Axis Bank is better valued, cheaper valued. I should buy it. But I have to see what was the past record of Axis Bank. That also I have to see before taking my decision. That is called as past comparison. Two type of comparison we do. We do peer comparison and we do past comparison. Now let me show you how to do past comparison. Please see the screen. All of you, I will go down. I will go down on this chart. I will put 10 years chart, 10 years chart. And then in 10 years chart, I will click on this PE. I will click on this PE. And now I will see, okay, what was the average PE of Axis, which was 16. And what is the current PE of Axis, which is 15.4. So lower the PE, the better it is. So in this case also, Diya's marks is better as compared to Karthik also, and Diya marks is better as compared to her past performance also. Past performance also, because in past Diya was valued at 16.8, but presently Diya is valued only at 15.4, and I told you the lower the P, the better it is. The lower the P, better it is. So 15.4 is lower than 16.8. So if I compare Diya's marks with Karthik, Diya is pass. If I compare Diya marks with Diya's own performance in past, again Diya is pass. So in both the case, PE of Diya is better than PE of Karthik, or I can say that PE of Axis Bank is better than PE of SDFC Bank. Because when I compared with SDFC Bank was 21 and it is only 15. So it is better because the lower it is better. Then I compared Axis Bank own with the past was 16 and it is at 15. Again, it is better. So that is the way how we compare the PE of any company while buying. I hope my concept is clear. Let me show you two companies and you all have to give me the answer whether it is better or not. First, you have to compare the company X with Y, and then you have to compare whosoever is better, then you have to compare it in the past. Okay. I'm moving to the company uh, called as Maruti. Let me compare it with Maruti. Now, see this. First, Maruti's P is 35. On the screen, all of you see Maruti's P is 35. And I'm comparing it with Eicher Motor. Eicher Motor P is 38. I'm repeating. Maruti's P was 35. Eicher Motor is 38. Which is better? All of you write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. Eicher or Maruti? Eicher is 38, Maruti is 35. Which is better? Excellent, excellent. Maruti. Everybody is writing Maruti. Okay. Now, you know Maruti is better. Eicher is ignored. I'm ignoring Eicher. Now I'm going back to Maruti. Now in Maruti, I'm going to see its past performance. Now 35 is the present, but I have to see its past. Past was 35.6 and present is 35.2. Which is better? Past or present? You have to write past or present. Only past or present. Okay, present, present, present. That means Maruti is pass in both the terms. If I compare it with the peer, it is pass. If I compare it with the past, it is again pass. So Maruti can be thought for investing. I'm using the word thought for investing. I'm not saying invest in Maruti because I'm not authorized to do that. Second thing, I told you in last sessions that you have to see ROC also, ROE also, market cap also, promoters holding also, sales return, sales growth, profit growth, cash flow, all other things also you have to say. Only this concept cannot brought you for investing. This is one of the parameter, one of the parameter. If I have to pass someone in the examination, then I will see the marks of accountancy, Hindi, English, math, science. Then I will see what happened in the current affairs or interview, GD. Then only the person will pass or selected. Same way, this is one of the parameter. It is not the whole sole criteria to decide whether to invest or not. I hope P is clear. Now I am moving to another thing. Another thing, same way, is called as PB, price to book value. Price to book value. Now, first of all, you have to understand what is the book value. Now, suppose this is a company in front of you, which is called as Maruti. Now, today you close Maruti, close the company, sell all the assets, land, building, furniture, machinery, stock, everything you sell. Whatever the money you get, pay all the liabilities, creditors, employees, electricity bill, government taxes, whatever is there, pay everything. Then whatever money remains in your hand, divide it equally on all shares. The one share will get 3172. 3172. This is called as book value. I'm repeating. Any company, sell that company, all the assets, whatever the money you are getting, from that, pay all the liabilities. Then whatever the money is there, divide it among all the shareholders as per the number of shares held by them, and on every share, whatever will they get, that is called as book value. Book value. Now, again, as you compare PE, same way you compare PB, price to book value. But here there is a twist. PE was for whole company. We have seen the profit of whole company and we have seen the price of whole company. Market cap is the price of whole company, not one share. Not one share. This was the price of whole company. Here we will see one company book value and one share book value and one share price. Now you have to divide this. See this 16,522 divided by 3172. You will get PB, price to book value. Price 16,522 divided by book value. Book value is 3172. What is the price to book value? This is 5.21. You need not to calculate. It will be there already. I'm repeating. 16,255 divided by 3172 is 521. That is the price to book value. This is for Maruti. Let me show you for Reliance. Reliance is price is 1556. 1556 is the price. What is the book value? 648. Divide 1556 divided by 648. You will get price to book value 2.40. Now this is how you calculate price to book value. Now how to take decision on the basis of this? Again, you have to compare X with Y and you have to compare X with the past. I'm repeating. You have to compare X with Y and you have to compare X with the past. Let me show you the two examples. One is HDFC Bank. Now, HDFC Bank, if I compare, now 1002 divided by 351, it comes to 2.85. 2.85 is for SDFC Bank. 2.85 SDFC Bank. Let me go for Axis. Axis is 1226 divided by 625. It is 2.01. Now SDFC Bank was 2.85 and it is 2.01. The lower the value, the better it is. The lower the value, the better it is. Again, I will say Axis Bank is cheaper than SDFC Bank. Axis Bank is cheaper than SDFC Bank. How? Because price to book value for Axis Bank is 2001 and for SDFC Bank it is HDFC Bank it is 2.85. So SDFC Bank rejected and Axis Bank selected. The lower the value, the better it is. Now I have gone to Axis Bank. Now this will not be a decision. Again, same situation will come. At school, I was pass. But what will happen at home? I have to see my past performance. Then I will go in the Axis Bank and see the 10-year data. 10-year data. I will go and see the PB, price to book value. See here on the screen. Price to book value of past 10 years. Now see this. Again, it is lower. Earlier it was 2.2 and now it is 2.1. The lower the value, the better it is. So I can say that Axis Bank is better as compared to past also and as compared to peer also. So it is better bet to invest. Again, when I am using the word better bet to invest, but I'm telling you, you have to see ROC, ROE, debt equity ratio, promoters holding, revenue growth, sales growth, all those things you have to see. Then only you can take the decision. These are only the parameters. I hope P is clear and PB is clear. Both the things are clear. Now I am moving to the third parameter. Third parameter, which is very important. The third parameter is price, market cap to sales. I'm repeating. The third parameter is market cap to sales. Now see this. In Axis Bank, market cap is 3,99,237. This is the market cap. And sales of Axis Bank, sales is revenue. Revenue is sales. Market cap, sales of, they say 1,27,000 crores. Now divide this market cap 3,99,000. 3 lakh, all of you divide it and write in the chat box. 3,99,237. 3,99,237 divided by the last sale, the last year's sale, which is 127,374. 1,27,374. Why I am taking this figure, not this figure? Because this is trailing 12 months. This is not full year figure. This is not full year figure. Last year data is this and that. Okay, 3.13 somebody has written. Very good. How somebody has written 1, 2, okay, 3.13. Very good. 3.13 is the right answer. Market cap to sales for Axis Bank is 3.13. Excellent. You have done the correct calculation and you can find the same figure here. Market cap to sales. Market cap to sales. Here you may find 3.09. This is the round figure. That is the reason 3.09. This is the figure. Okay. Now, always remember how to get it. You need not to calculate. If you are not getting this on your screen, if you are not getting this on screen, if you are not getting this on your screen, if you are not getting this on screen, please, go on edit ratio, and add from here market cap to sales. For my case, it is already selected. In your case, in your screener, whatever you are using, it may not be selected. It may not be selected. So please select it and then do quick save the ratio. And next time, whenever you will open your window, you will find it here. Now, market cap to sales for Axis is 3.09. Now you have to see the same thing for HDFC, HDFC. Now for this, market cap to sales is 4.45. Again, the lower the value, the better it is. The lower the value, the better it is. Again, I find Axis Bank better valued as compared to HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. Again, I will ignore HDFC Bank and I will go to Axis Bank. Again, I'm repeating again and again. I'm not giving you any buy or sell call. I'm only teaching you. Again, now Bhavya have got good marks. Now Bhavya will go home and check what Mama will do. How to check? She will go and see the past performance, market cap to sales, and that too of at least 10 years. Now again you will find, okay, Bhavya, though it seems that she's got better marks when it was compared to Diya, but at home Mama कहती है उतने ही तो आए जितने पिछली बार आते थे. Same marks. Now see this. Market cap to sales. Earlier also it was 3.1 and now it was 3.09. It is approx same. So it is not better valued. It is not. It is ठीक है. Marks ऐसे खराब नहीं है. But it is ठीक ठाक है. So that is the way how we compare. We have to see P. We have to see PB. We have to see market cap to sales. Again I'm writing P should be lower. PB should be lower. Market cap to sales should be lower. Lower with whom? Lower with peer and lower with past. I'm repeating, lower with peer and lower with past. You have to see both should be lower and lower with peer and lower with past. Now, you may have questions in your mind, sir, for XYZ company. PB is lower, P is higher, market cap to sales is lower, what to do? There can be a situation. Now you are asking me the same question. Sir, Bhavya marks is better in physics, Divya marks is better in chemistry, what to do? Nothing can be done. Nothing can be done. If I have to say who is better, the person either total should be better or both. If Bhavya or Diya is getting better marks in both the subjects, then I can say either Bhavya is good or better. So try to search that company where PB is lower, P is lower, market cap to sales is lower. If you can find that company, that is excellent company. Excellent means excellent valued company. Excellent valued company. If you can find a company where PE, PB, market cap to sales all are lower as compared to peers, as compared to past, then that is called as excellent. What I'm saying try to search a boy or a girl whose physics marks is also good, chemistry marks is also good, PE marks is also good, English marks is also good, and mathematics marks is also good, then that boy will be called a topper of the school. Then if he's getting good in physics but he's getting lower in English, then he may or may not be topper depending upon the total. Then it will depends upon the total. Now, so that is the reason how you have to see whether try to search a company where P, PB, market cap to sales, everything is lower as compared to past and as compared to peer. Now, but when you have to take decisions, okay, in some case P is better, in some case PB is better, in some case market cap to sales is better. How to give the advantage? Now, always, if somebody is appearing for JEE, then you will see physics, chemistry, mathematics marks. If somebody is going for journalism, then you will see English marks. If somebody wants to go for sports or something, then you will see the marks of physical education or something. So you have to see the marks as per the situation. If you are seeing the marks of physics and selecting someone for the sports, or if you are seeing the marks of English and you are selecting the person for maybe medicine or engineering, so that will be a wrong decision. That will be a wrong decision. Okay, if he is getting good marks in physics, chemistry, maths, English, sports, everything, then it's okay, it can be good. But if there is situation, one marks is low, one marks is less, then what to do? In that situation, you have to see the for what purpose you are selecting that person. Same happens in the company. Now, if you find a company where P is less but PB is more, or PB is less, P is more, or market cap is less, P. So in that situation, you have to see which type of company. Companies can be classified in three part. Please write it down. What are the three part? Three type of company. Company number one is called a loss-making companies. loss-making companies. If company is loss-making. Company number two, profit-making company. But they are divided in two. Old age company and new age company. Now I've given you three parts. One is loss-making company. Second is profit-making company, but profit-making company can be two parts. Old age company and new age company. Okay. First, you have to see if a company, suppose I go to a company called as Swiggy. Let me show you Swiggy. Now see this. Swiggy, P is not there at all. PB is 10.6. In this situation, why it is coming not there, P is not there? Because it is a loss-making company. It is a loss-making company. If I go to the profit and loss, I will find there is a loss. See this, there is a loss. 4,160. In this situation, whenever there is a loss-making company, you have to see market cap to sales. You have to ignore P, you have to ignore PB. I'm repeating. In case of loss-making company, you have to see only and only market cap to sales. Same example, if you have to select a person for sports, you have to see his physical education marks and you have to give him something in running or something, and he should be getting, you are not supposed to see his physics marks or chemistry marks. Otherwise, you will not get Sachin Tendulkar. You will not get Sachin Tendulkar. Same way, in a loss-making company, you have to see market cap to sales. If market cap to sales is very good, you are supposed to select it. Now, this is the one thing. Now, I am going to profit-making company. In case of profit-making company, you have to see whether it is a new age company or old age company. What is new age company and what is old age company? New age companies are those companies which depends upon some ideas, some services, some anything intangible type of. I give you example, Infosys, TCS, maybe Zomato, Paytm, maybe Swiggy, this type of companies. If Swiggy becomes the profit making once upon a time, then it can be. Any company which do not require land, building, furniture, machinery, a lot to get into existence, that company is called as new age company. I'm not a new age company, is not new company. A 50-year-old company can also be a new age company. A 50-year-old company, Infosys or TCS are 40, 45-year-old companies, but they are new age company. To set up Infosys, we can take a office on rent, have some laptop, and Infosys can be framed. A company like Infosys can be framed, no required land, building, furniture, machinery. But old age company is that company which required a lot of land, building, furniture, machinery. I give you example, Maruti, Ultratech Cement, Tata Steel, Tata Motors. Without factory, land, machinery, they cannot be come to the existence. They cannot come to the existence. So for new age company, you are supposed to see or give importance to PE. PE, price to earning. New age company, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Zomato, Paytm, Delivery, this type of company give PE. And all old age company, Maruti, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Ultratech Cement give importance to PB. PB. All banks, PB. Banks for PB. All mutual fund company, PE. Mutual fund company, PE. They do not require branches. But banks required a lot of branches. A lot of branches, land, building, furniture. If there is no branches, people will not have trust on bank. People will not have trust on bank. So for mutual fund company, we require PE. But for banks, we required PB. For Tata Steel, we required PB. But TCS, again, same group company, Tata's company, we required PE. So you have to see when to, otherwise try to see all three should be in your favor. PE should be in your favor, PB should be in your favor, and market cap to sales. All three is in your favor, then company is best company. Best company, best valued company. I'm not saying best company. To know the best company, we have already done the session for that. Now, if something is not in favor, then you have to see whether it is a loss making company or it is a profit making company. If it is a loss making company, then concentrate on market cap to sales. If it is a profit making company, then you see whether it is an old age company or it is a new age company. If it is a new age company, then you have to go and see PE, and if it is an old age company, then go and see PB. This is all about the concept of today. I hope I have given you the brief idea about the valuation. You all uh, please write about the session in one line, whether it was fruitful or not. I am going to read messages, what things you like and what you did not like. Anything. And if you did not like, please write it. Please write it. Maybe next time I will improve. I'm reading the chat box, whatever you are going to write. I will be happy to read your messages. I hope all of you must have written your name and school name and city so that your attendance can be marked. That was the previous instruction to all of you. And I'm telling you, all of you, please do not treat it as a classes. Some of you are have written that you want more explanation or something. It is not. You are joining an internship. I'm giving you some idea. What is the purpose of internship? Now you go do research. Earlier you are not even knowing the what is PE, what is PB, what is market cap. Should you do not know what you do not know. You do not know what you do not know. Now at least you know what you do not know. Now you can go on Google, go on YouTube, go on books and search these terms. Search these terms. Try to read these terms. That is the reason this internship is there. Rahul Pradhani ji, I'm happy. I'm saying right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you know what you do not know. And that is the purpose we are having this here, this session. Okay. Very good. Okay. I'm very good. So now I can understand you people have got to know the three concepts. Now five companies you have selected. You all have selected five companies in the beginning. Now, first thing, you all have to apply P, PB, market cap to sales for all those five company. How to apply? You have to compare their past. You have to compare their peer. You have to search for their peer. Who are their peer? Who can be their peer? Who should be their peer? Then you have to compare it and you have to come up with the report whether your company is rightly valued or not. Your companies were the good company. You have selected the good companies, but whether they are rightly valued or not, whether they are rightly valued or not, all five companies which you people have selected, this is the task for today. Please write it down. You are supposed to see PB market cap to sales for all those five companies which you people have already selected in the previous assignment, and you have to see whether they are rightly valued in terms of P, in terms of PB, in terms of market cap to sales or not. First thing is this. Few expectation. I am expecting all of you must have created your LinkedIn profile. This is the very professional thing. Whenever you join a corporate, you are supposed to create your LinkedIn profile. Or you all must be 16 and above. You are allowed to create your LinkedIn profile. I have not told you to create your some Instagram profile. That is not expected. I am expecting LinkedIn profile, professional profile, and you all may be connecting with each other on LinkedIn. Try to search each other on LinkedIn. Try to write, I am edutary intern, so that other person who is doing the same internship, maybe in other team, can search you, can connect with you, and this connection will be with you throughout your life. Throughout your life, you all can be helpful for each other. I will tell you, I have seen a lot of my interns in the past. One have joined X company and other have joined the same company only through LinkedIn because they have connected. So first thing, please do and try to tag me also so that I can get to know what you people are doing in years to come. So that will be one thing. How many of you have created LinkedIn profile? Please write your name in the chat box. No, I will not be able to write. Write in the name or the chat box that I have created. I have already created and written as yourself as a editor intern in the LinkedIn. I'm waiting. Okay. Rasi Mittal, Aswarya. Okay, very good, very good. Karthik Verma, very good. Dia Ramesh.
Sir,
Yes.
I actually have made a LinkedIn profile, but I don't know how to, to see. I don't know how to write. I am an editorial intern. Like I don't know how to operate that LinkedIn.
You have to learn then that is the thing we have come out to the try in which team you are. You are team
I'm in
leader.
Akshaj Mittal's team.
Okay, then try to write a mail to your team leader. Okay, I want a session on LinkedIn. I want a session on LinkedIn. Write a professional mail to your team leader, to your co-leader. Okay, let's have a session tomorrow. And maybe your team leader is not very much expert, but someone in the team is very much expert. So try to write a mail to your team and then have a session on LinkedIn. That I want. That is my expectation. That is the called as peer learning. That is the reason we have created this platform. You all have to learn from each other. Okay, who is going to take a session tomorrow on LinkedIn? Any of the team leader, co-leader, any team can join.
So I would like to take a session on
Okay, so
LinkedIn.
Karthik will create a Zoom link tomorrow 8:30, and anyone from any team can join that. You have to post that link on the group, WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
and
sir. We have.
anyone from any team can join that meeting and see how to work on the LinkedIn. Okay, Karthik? Good. I'm happy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all
Sir,
of you have to do this. Another
sir, in
thing.
the post when we create that we joined as an intern, it says that we can't tag you, like your account can't be tagged.
You are not supposed to tag. You can only mention edutary, mention Sunil Tripathi. It's okay, fine. If it is not
Okay.
can be tagged, maybe
Okay,
there's
sir.
some limitation. I don't know. I'm not expert. I will join the tomorrow Karthik session and I will learn from him.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will try to do that.
Sir, what were the categories you said to like describe the five companies you had chosen before?
You already have you have joined for the first time or you have already done the tasks given.
I have already done the tasks,
So you
but
have five companies, na?
yes, I was talking
So
about the categories like
no, you have to
PB.
apply PE, market cap to sales in all the three, all the five company, and you have to see whether they are pass. If they are passing all three, then it's okay. If they are not passing, then you have to see whether it is a loss-making company or profit-making company. Then profit-making company, then it is a old age company or new age company. Then you have to compare. That thing you have to do. Yes, Bhavya, you want to say something?
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
In market cap to sales, you have told that when the if a company is loss-making company, we check market cap to sales, and if it is lower,
Yes.
the company is good. We can choose it. So, sir,
Yes.
even if the market cap to sales is lower in a loss-making company, why would we choose a company if it's a loss-making?
No, if we have selected a loss-making company already as a good company, it may be in the initial stage. I give you example. Sachin Tendulkar failed in class 10th. Should we leave Sachin Tendulkar or we will select Sachin Tendulkar and he become the cricket expert? We are not selecting him for JE topper. We are not selecting him as a JE topper or IPM topper or a CAT topper. We are selecting him as a cricketer. The same way, sometime a loss-making company, but your all other research says that it is a good company and its valuation is also good. In 5-10 years, it can emerge as a market leader. In that, you have to select that. That you have to see. Okay. Okay, I am posting a thing. I don't know how many of you know. Only day before yesterday, I am Kasipur for a lecture. And from there, I have posted something on the group. You all can see. You all can see. I have something posted on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, what is the task? All the team have to create a newsletter together. Now you have to combine your company. Everybody have five company or your team. Now every team has to combine, go through the meetings, come up with the companies. Number of companies should be. Please write the criteria. After that, I will not give you the guidelines. You have total 50 lakh rupees. All of you, all the teams, not the person. All the teams have 50 lakh rupees. A person, you may have 5 team members, you may have 10 team members, I don't know. This is a teamwork. 50 lakh rupees. You can select 20 to 30 company, not less than 20, not more than 30. Not less than 20, not more than 30. 20 to 30 company. And you have to create a portfolio which will give you the best return in next 20 days. Next 20 days. You have only 20 days. Today is 14th. From 15th we are starting, and 5th of January we will see the portfolio return. Portfolio return. I'm repeating. Your portfolio return, you have to create this portfolio by tomorrow anyhow. Anyhow, you do your Zoom meeting, you do your chats, you do your whatever you want to do. You all have to come to the conclusion these are the 25 companies or 26 companies or 20 companies. I have shown you a newsletter. Same type of newsletter you have to create. Why you have selected company, how much you are putting the money, what is your expectation, what is your benchmark, whatever it is, same type of, you have to create a portfolio of 20 to 30 company, that these are my portfolio, this is the portfolio and of our team, and we are expecting the best return in next 20 days. Okay, all of you need one day more or tomorrow it will be done? Tell me.
Can we get
One
another
more
day?
day.
So one day.
Okay, let me see my calendar. When your portfolio must come on the group itself, and no, do not post the portfolio on the group because others will copy. Others will copy. The group reader have to send it to me personally. I'm repeating. Group reader have to send it to me personally. Uh, Whatever the portfolio, and date today is 14. Okay, 15, 16, I'm giving you 17. Okay, by 17, you have to post your 17, 5:30. I'm repeating, 17, 5:30, your portfolio should be ready. A newsletter of maximum 2 pages. 2 pages, who is your fund manager? What is your logics? What is your expectation? Which sectors you are expecting to grow in next few days? Why you have selected company? What is your vision? That should be in the newsletter. How much percentage of the money you are putting into X company, how much percentage of the money, that is 50 lakh, you are putting in the Y company, and why? And why? Why should always be there. I do not want only what. I do not want only what. You have selected SBI, SDFC, or something. I do not want that. Why should be there? If you do not have the answer of your every 25 company, make an Excel. Okay, this company, this much amount, this much percentage. Why? Why column should be there for every section. Total, you may save 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees as a cash. You need not to invest all 50 lakh, or you can invest all 50 lakh. But 50 lakh is the total amount which I have given to all of you. Even your mummy papa must have not given to you, but I have given 50 lakh rupees to all of you. Now go and buy whatever you can. Yes, Ananya, you want to say something?
Sir, my name is Anya,
Okay.
and I had two doubts. Number one was that the report we had to make, in where we had to compare the five companies we've already chosen with the new criteria.
Now you all have, your team may be having five company, a lot of five company, a lot of five. Now you can select 25 out of that. You can go beyond also that. Your team have done, all of you have done sometimes five companies. Now try to have companies from there only. If you can, it may be that no, you are not agreed. Maybe that some of you may not agreed. Try to have consensus. Try to have consensus. If you cannot, okay, go beyond that. Maybe out of that you find only 20 company. Five, you have to go beyond that. Okay, let's go. Try to search. Try to search that your 25 or 20 to 30. It can be 21, it can be 29, it can be 30. Okay. Next question. Let me take some questions. Kasha, your question, please.
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm having a very simple question. Might be when you have given the task to select the five companies, so I have randomly typed on the screener.in on the right side. But is there any particular way where we can get the list of the companies to search it out.
All the companies
And
you want?
I have searched out 5 companies. That is a
Okay.
randomly searched. But
Okay.
is there any particular list where I can
No,
get the?
you have to select the company. You can go on the screener and you can find the list of all 6,000 companies listed in Indian stock market. That list is over. Only go on the screen, write market cap greater than one. The market
Okay.
cap greater than one, click it, you will find all the companies which are listed. But out of those all companies, how to select the best one? That is the task you are supposed to do. That we no, that is the task of a fund manager. If that there is a tool for that, then everybody can become a fund manager. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
I think she's asking about how to search on screens.
So, but Teams, I have already told you how to do the screens.
No, that is I know how to search the
Okay.
company,
Okay.
but if we are having a multiple companies,
Then
then
from that is the researcher. That is the research work. Okay.
okay.
There cannot be a tool for that. If there is a tool,
Hmm.
then so everybody will become fund manager. Nobody will become engineer. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Ishant, your question.
Sir,
Those
my
who have
question
asked, please
is,
hands down so that I can. Yes, Ishant.
sir, my question is the 5 companies we have selected for the second task you have given us to it. Now
Yes.
for this task of the today, if the companies we have selected if some of the in some cases a company does not have a good
Reject that and
ratio.
select new company. Reject that and select new company. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
If
Next.
that company is not able to get
Yes, yes, sir. You can realign the company. You can reselect the company. Okay, go, fine. It's okay, fine. Akshas, your question.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. So I had two questions. The first one is, as a team leader, can I hold a meeting tomorrow?
But
If
tomorrow we have already given a timing for
okay,
this LinkedIn meeting. So what you can do, let's give Karthik half an hour. So tomorrow meeting, if teams want, they can have at 9 o'clock. I'm
okay,
repeating. Tomorrow team meeting can be at 9 o'clock, not at 8:30. 8:30 we have already allotted for LinkedIn, and anyone from any team can join that meeting. Okay? Let Karthik do a lot of research, come up with the
Sir,
best.
please convey to Karthik to send the meeting link to you so that you can send it in the group because I don't think he has all of our mails.
No, no, that will be in the WhatsApp group. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
yeah. Please ask him to send it in the
That
WhatsApp
link
group.
will be in the WhatsApp group. You all can join from there. Okay? Tavish, your question, please.
So I wanted to ask, does the companies have to be large cap, mid cap, or small cap?
Anything depending upon you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But you have to write why you are selecting large cap, why you are selecting mid cap, why you are selecting a flexi cap or combination of that. What?
Okay, okay, sir.
That logic you have to give. If you are selecting large cap, why? You are selecting mid cap, why? You may find valuation very good. You may find growth very good, whatever it is. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chatsi.
Yes. Sir, in the newsletter that you shared in the group, there's a lot of terminology that we don't know. So we don't have
Don't
to
worry.
write it down.
Whatever you know, try to do that
Okay.
only.
So only the
You are
parameters
not
that you taught us.
you are not supposed to copy that
Yeah.
newsletter. That is
Yes,
only
sir.
one idea. That was only idea,
Okay,
and
sir.
that was also created by students of IIM. I'm
Yes.
repeating. This is the newsletter created by a student of IIM Kasipur. So this is only to give you an idea how newsletter related to portfolio is created. Is created. You are not supposed to copy everything. You have to create your own newsletter on that ground. This is only the ground. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Sri Yadita, I'm wrong, please.
No, it's okay, sir. Shriyadita. And
Okay.
sir, my doubt is like in general, why would an investor choose to invest in a loss-making company?
Okay. I told you that a loss-making company can be a profit-making company in years to come. In
Sir,
years
but
to come.
right, but
Any company when it starts, any business when it starts, it cannot be a profit-making company from day one. And if you start investing on day 10 of that company, the the more the risk you are ready to take. It depends upon risk. How much risk you are ready to. All the angel investors, they invest in the loss-making company only.
okay,
And
sir. And
out of their 10 investment, 9 fail. Only one pass. But that one pass give them millions of rupees.
Sir, and can the same type of company, like let us say if we are comparing two banks, can one bank currently be like a loss-making company and a profit-making company? Like
If you
one
are
will be
comparing,
loss-making.
then you are wrong. I told you that it can be a situation only if it is one is a large cap, one is a very new bank. So it is not comparable at all. You are comparing a 12th grade person marks with a first grade person marks.
No, like okay, so we can't
You,
compare a loss-making company with a profit-making
you are
company.
doing wrong comparison. What you are doing, sir, I am comparing mathematics marks with mathematics only, what you told, but you are comparing the mathematics marks of class 12 with the child of class 1. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
so sir, when we are
Ishant
comparing,
Sharma.
any two companies, sir, it has to be in the same, like it has to be either loss-making or profit-making.
Use your mind. That is the thing. You use your mind. Whether it can be a loss making or profit making is comparable at all. That is the thing you are supposed to do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ishant Sharma.
Yes, sir. My another doubt is today we have learned about how to find the value of a company. Sir, this value of company would help us in future to find the valuation of company, or it is another concept?
No, valuation of the company is today we did the valuation of the company only. If my company is valued more or less, if my company is valued more, ignore that company, search another company. I told someone if he told me that, and if your company is valued less, then whether you can find more lesser of that. If not, then select that company. That is the whole game of the stock market.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Karthik, your question, please.
Yes, I just have one question. Like today, for the first task in which we have to compare the five the selected companies on basis of PE, PB, and market cap to sales, we have to create a video or a Word document for that.
Word document newsletter. I told you newsletter. All of you have
Okay.
to create a newsletter, group newsletter, and that group newsletter you have to come up and you have to give it by by 17th 5:30. Now what we are going to do 17th 5:30, I'm telling you. 17th 5:30, every team will have a Zoom meeting. In that Zoom meeting, you will discuss your newsletter. You will discuss your newsletter, why X, Y, Z. So you may come with the pros and cons, excluding, including, why and what. And that recording of team will come to me. Recording of that Zoom meeting will come to me as a video. As a video, that is 17th 8:30 task. That is not the task. 17th 5:30. What you are supposed to do, you have to come up with your newsletter. For that, you can have a meeting tomorrow. You can have a meeting day after tomorrow. Today is 14, then 15, 16. You have 2 days. In these two meetings, you will come to the conclusion. But 17th, you have to present your newsletter in your team. 17th, 8:30. There will not be a one Zoom meeting where I will be taking that meeting. There will be a lot of Zoom meeting. All of you will be joining in your team, and the team leader and the co-leader, or maybe you can allot that responsibility to someone else in the team. It may be that your team you can find a very good speaker and you can allot that task to that person who is only simple intern. Okay, newsletter presented by SSV team is this. Okay, we have selected 27 companies. The theme of our portfolio is this. The base of our portfolio is this. Out of total 50 lakh, we have invested only 40 lakh. We have kept 20 lakh for the future. We have selected this much large company, this much small company. We have selected banking company. We have selected technology company. We have invested 20% in technology company. We have selected 10% in auto company. Whatever you or your team have to present your newsletter on the basis of logics behind that. That is the task live to be done on 17th 8:30. That will be recorded by every team and that recording will be sent to me. You got my point, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that is the reason what is our future. I told you that before reaching to the technical part of this internship, next we will reach to the technical. We will go on candle pattern, chart patterns, everything. But before that, I want only serious person to continue this internship. Somebody have joined this internship for the fun purpose. They should be eliminated at all after this stage. We want only serious person, those who want to learn. And I am not talking about learning of the stock market. That stock market is the base. But we are learning team building, confidence, time management. If somebody is saying my UT is tomorrow, go and do your UT. I'm not saying UT should not be prepared. But if you can adjust within your UT and this internship, then you should be here. Then you should be here. That thing you have to think. So, anything anyone wants to say, any feedback you want to give the sessions which going on, anyone happy, not happy, anything.
So I
I'm
want
ready.
to say something.
Yes, please.
So first of all, the sessions are amazing. All my interns and myself, as I have already been done one internship, like same with you. So I am literally enjoying it. My team is literally enjoying the meetings and what I am keeping with them. All of them are able to do all the tasks which I am assigning to them and you are assigning. We also had an activity yesterday in which we practiced some of the ratios and other things. So it was an interesting activity, and all the interns were able to do each and every question which were given. So it was really nice, and internship is going really well.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Next task, what we are, so we will sell our portfolio to other team members, how to sell, what to do. We will learn a lot of, I'm telling you, in this 40 days, you will learn a lot. Yes, Rasi.
So personally, I feel like जो पहले सेशंस होते हैं they were more clear. आज का सेशन मेरे को थोड़ा confusing लगा and पहले वाले सेशन में हमने ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स भी कवर करे थे, आज वाले सेशन में हमने टॉपिक्स भी थोड़े कम कवर करे हैं. This is my opinion.
हमें जितना हम और डीप जाएंगे और कंफ्यूजन बढ़ता जाएगा बिकॉज दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर टॉट इन MBA finance and you are in class 11th and
नहीं
12th.
कंफ्यूजिंग मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि नए टर्म्स इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं, वो तो होंगे लाइक इट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ इट कि तुम्हें न्यू टर्म्स इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं. कंफ्यूजिंग आई मीन कि उसका फ्लो मतलब बहुत बम्पी फ्लो था, लॉट ऑफ थिंग.
करेंगे. आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. मैं अपने आप को सुधार करूंगा इसके लिए. आई गिव यू प्रॉमिस.
Sir,
Okay.
I want to say something, sir. I want
Yes,
to say
please.
something.
No, first of all, those who have raised the hand, that Sini Prakash.
Hello, sir. It's
Yes.
actually Shiny Prakash.
Okay, Sani, please. Extremely sorry for that, bacha.
It's okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I was saying that the went very nice this time. I have not been into an internship before, and
You
this
are
was
from
a
which
very.
place, which school? You are from which place, which school?
I'm from Bokaro, Jharkhand,
Okay. A lot of
Delhi
girls
public
and
school.
boys from your school have joined. DPS
Yes,
Bokaro?
sir.
How
Yes,
many
sir.
students from your school have joined this internship?
It's a lot. Like
A lot. I have seen.
from my class itself, there are like 23 to 24
Okay,
interns.
very good, very good. Excellent. I'm very happy. So you people are enjoying this
Yes, sir, definitely.
and learning also.
Yes,
And
we have a lot of
how you are managing your school and this work?
so it's kind of hard to go. We have school, then tuitions, and then this work also. It's
But
kind of hard, but it's actually manageable.
I promise if you are able to do this, you will not have any problem in your corporate life. That is the corporate skills you are supposed to learn. The people comes into the stress and all in the corporate life, and that is the skill I'm trying to teach you all. If you can manage it today, you will be able to manage it tomorrow. Thank you very much, Bacha.
Thank you
Chat
so much,
3.
sir.
Chat 3.
Sir, it's Chaitrasri, but
Oh,
yeah. Sir, so I think this is very interesting because there's a lot of terms that we are learning that we usually don't learn in schools, in 11th and 12th especially. So like learning about the share market and everything, I feel like after the internship is over, I myself would be able to invest in some shares too with all this knowledge. So I think that's really great. And about my team too, I think everyone is submitting the tasks. I mean, sure, there are some people who are not active anymore, but then the people who are actually interested in the internship are interacting and sharing. So I think it'll be great to collaborate and do the tasks with them. So thank you,
okay.
sir.
Very good. Excellent. I'm happy. I'm happy. Bhavika.
So, sir, it is a very much like pretty much good internship that we are doing right now because we are right now in a university. So it is very hectic that we come from the university and attending the meetings. And right now exams are also going on. Daily we are going to college and we are
Which,
learning the time management also there in
which course you are doing?
BBA.
BBA. So you may be learning a lot of these terms in your college also.
Yeah.
Now tell me one thing very frankly, whether you are learning more in the college or you are learning more here. Very frankly, I
Here
hope.
only.
Oh, here only.
For sure, here only.
Okay,
Yeah.
then I'm happy. I'm happy. I try to give that. I do not want to go into the books. I want to go
Yeah.
beyond the books because I have.
Because we are.
Yes, I myself have done my BCom, MCom, PhD, MBA in finance only. But whatever I learned in the books, that was only in the books. That was only in the
Yeah.
book.
Okay.
Okay, very good, very good. I'm happy. In which college you are?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University,
Okay,
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay, very good. You must have got good score in CUET. That is the reason you are here. Good. Okay, Akshay.
Yes, yes, sir. I am.
Yes, something. Anyone else tell Akshay is saying something? Anyone else? I'm happy with the performance you people are doing. So, task number one, you have to create your LinkedIn profile. You have to connect with the team. You have to connect with the people of other team. You have try to connect with me. You will find myself only with the name of Dr. Sunil Tripathi. You will not find EduTree on LinkedIn. You will find only Sunil Tripathi. Another thing, you have to go through the meeting of Karthik if required for your LinkedIn profile. Next, you have to come up with your portfolio. The portfolio should be the portfolio of the team, not the portfolio of the team leader or the coordinator or the XYZ. And one more thing, you are going to present your portfolio on 17th at 8:30. I'm again telling I will be happiest person if that presentation is being done by some member of the team, not by the team leader or the co-leader. If you can find a better person in your team who is better to speak, confidence and all, that is the quality of a team leader. That is the quality of a team leader. It may be the team leader can be the best. I'm not saying he or she cannot be the best. But if you can find someone better in your team, give that chance to him. You will enjoy that. Akshas.
Yes, sir. So I just wanted to ask and clear it out that we will hold our own meeting on 17th and you will join that and see it, right?
All the meetings will be joined by the faculty members of EduTree. Some will be there in the
Okay.
meeting. Who will be there, I don't know. But there will be
Okay,
people.
sir. So just to be
Okay.
clear, we're making our own meeting.
You have to create your own meetings. Somebody will join, see, but you have to send the recording, and that recording will be uploaded on our social media when you will be presenting your thing. So try to be very formal in that meeting. It should not be any informal communication. That you have to remember that you may start the meeting, then once recording starts, then you have to become very formal. That should be a formal presentation in what we say in front of your investors. The investors are sitting in front of you. You are coming with your portfolio. You have to present your portfolio. That should be very formal. It may be that two, three people can combine together and present. Maybe there are 25 companies. Okay, five of you maybe one of you may be speaking on five company, another may be speaking on next five company, another may be speaking on next five company, and that way you can manage. Whatever the creativity you can do, whatever the creativity you can do, come up with that idea. I will be more than happy. Okay, thank you very much everyone for joining. I will be waiting for the best portfolios. I want if your portfolio can beat the portfolio of any fund manager in India, I will be the most happiest person of the world. Thank you very much everyone for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.